Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams, comparing two top contenders in the market. On the left, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam, and on the right, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the most important aspect of a dash cam, video quality. The Vantrue N2 Pro boasts a dual lens setup, capturing both the road front and inside the passenger cabin in crystal clear 1080p at 30 fps. It's the perfect choice for rideshare drivers who need evidence in case of unruly passengers. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Vantrue N2 Pro features infrared night vision with 4 IR LED lights and a f2.0 aperture. This means it can handle low light conditions and capture flawless footage even in the darkest of cabins. Now let's explore the additional features that set these dash cams apart. The Vantrue N2 Pro offers a 24-hour parking mode with motion activation, looping recording, a G-sensor for collision detection, and even an optional GPS to track your driving route. Overall, the Vantrue N2 Pro is praised for its high-definition quality, night vision, and inside-facing camera. Reviewers appreciate the peace of mind it provides and recommend it for various types of drivers. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K Pro is commended for its easy setup, clear instructions, and thoughtful design. Reviewers appreciate the included accessories and the quality of the product. However, some reviewers note that the camera stops recording when the engine is turned off and that the built-in speedometer may be inaccurate. And that's a wrap on our dash cam showdown. The Vantrue N2 Pro and the ROVE R2-4K Pro both have their strengths, so it really depends on what you value most in a dash cam. Remember, folks, always do your research and choose the product that best suits your needs. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Stay smart and happy shopping. This is Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter. See you in the next video.